Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I refresh a protective style. It has been relatively maybe a week or two since I've had these in, and it's looking pretty rough, friend. So throughout this video I'm going to show you guys what products I'm using to refresh my protective style. Okay, so like many of you, I also have seborrheic dermatitis. It's just a more severe condition of dandruff. I cannot go like without 4 days without seeing dandruff in my hair, and to my recollection there is no cure, so it's just something that I have to go through. So I have a ton of dandruff in my hair right now, so we're going to be doing my absolute best to get this out, and I'm going to show you guys what products we're going to be using. This video is sponsored by Hotana. So I have a ton of their products here that I'm going to be using to refresh my hair, make it look and smell really good. So when you are refreshing your hair, the first thing that you want to do is make sure you're starting on a clean scalp. So that's what I'm going to do first. Now, because I have seborrheic dermatitis, I do have a medicated shampoo. This is called Botanical Shampoo for Healthier Scalp. And as you guys can see, this is how it looks. So because I have seborrheic dermatitis, I have to use like a medicated shampoo, but if I didn't have my skin condition, then I definitely would recommend using the Hotana shampoo, just because we're going to be using the rest of their products from this line. The only product I'm not using is just the shampoo, because I need medicated shampoo. So let me show you guys what I'm going to do. I actually have 2 rags here. You can do this in the shower, but I just don't feel like getting my braids entirely wet, and it's going to take a while to dry, so I'm just going to tackle my scalp specifically. And all I'm going to do is I have some warm water in this bowl, so I'm going to go ahead and dip my rag in the bowl and just put some shampoo on it and gently scrub at my scalp just a little bit. And surprisingly, you really don't need a lot. Okay, all right, now we got some scrubs. Actually, before I even do that, I did want to separate my hair into a front and a back section, so we can tackle the back first and then we'll come up to the front. Cool. So the front section, we're going to just pop it up and out the way for now. Here is the back of my hair and half. Now the back does not have as much dandruff or seborrheic dermatitis. The front is really my problem area. So let's just go ahead and go in. I'm going to use this rag to scrub my scalp and go ahead and get it clean. So just starting where I need to. And I'm just taking my time, and I'm not doing it too hard either. I don't want to mess up my scalp or my new growth. So I'm just going to focus on just my scalp. Yo, I don't know why I'm having a problem with like the suds. I want to see the suds. It's so easy. That's why I actually love protective styles, because if you can, like, I wouldn't want to wear no wigs or nothing that I can't get to my scalp and clean it. And I recommend at least doing this once a week. Putting some soap on that scalp. You know how like when your hair is dirty and you first put shampoo on it and you don't see any suds? That's because your hair literally ate the shampoo. That's how dirty it was. You don't even see no suds, my friend. And that is me right now. I gotta put shampoo on it. Okay, so hopefully that did something. So I don't know if there's any more. It actually feels really good and soothing on the scalp, because it's medicated, so it's like minty. It feels really good. But yeah, like I said, if I did not have my seborrheic dermatitis, I would definitely be using the Hotana shampoo, just because we're using the rest of their products. So I'm just making sure I got everything. It's so much easier washing your scalp when your hair is in braids. You can see and feel your scalp everywhere. Let me show you guys how we're looking. So this is the back. Not sure what it looked like, but hopefully it looked like something. All right, so that was step 1. We still have to tackle the front of the head, but while we're back here, I'm going to go ahead and put some leave-in conditioner on the scalp. Now I am taking this hairstyle out in 1 week from today. I'm actually going to an amusement park, or no, excuse me, a water park next week, and then after that, I'll take my hair out. Cool. All right, so the next thing we're going to add is the Batana oil from Hotana. This is their leave-in and deep conditioner, so it doubles. You can leave it in or rinse it out, but this is their conditioner. Ooh, and then this is Ivory Batana oil from Hotana. Looks so cool. Smells good. We love a good sniff. Maybe we can see. Okay, we are getting some cream, y'all. A little bit more on like the looser side. It's not as thick, which is perfectly fine. And I do want to put this on my roots of my hair, just so my roots are conditioned. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not really targeting my scalp. The whole point of this is to just target your roots, because your roots also need some moisture. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on the back of my head and just really target those roots. But like I said, naturally it's going to get on the scalp as well. And the product will always say if it's for your hair or for your scalp or for both. Okay, to use the leave-in conditioner, apply a small amount to damp hair. Okay, yeah, so it's pretty regular schmegler. I love how creamy this product is, guys. Look at that. That is a creamy product, okay? And I'm just applying that all over my roots. That's all we're doing right now. We're just applying it to the roots, and it's naturally going to get on the scalp, which is okay. But I really just want to make sure my roots are good, because the roots are part of your hair. Hopefully we work that in. So yeah, so hopefully that product is worked into the hair. It already smells and feels so much better. Oh my goodness, I was having so much problems with my hair with like itchiness and stuff, but now we're like good to go. I feel like that definitely revived and brought back some moisture that I needed. All right, so the last thing I'm going to put on the back is their Batana oil. Now this is a Honduran miracle oil for thicker, fuller, and healthier hair, and that's exactly some of my goals that I had for this year with my hair growth journey. I want thicker hair, I want fuller hair, and I want healthier hair, so that's definitely where the Batana oil comes in at, y'all. Some people love the smell, some people aren't crazy about it. I personally love how this smells. It's like a strong coffee. All right, so let me go ahead and take some of this out so you guys can actually see. That is how the product looks right now. Cool beans. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just take enough, and we're gonna do the exact same thing, attacking my roots of my hair with the Batana oil, and I'm also gonna be putting this on my scalp as well. So I'm just taking enough. It melts right into your hands. That's how you know it's that real Batana oil. See how it just melted like that? And then I'm just gonna go ahead and massage that all in my hair. And we're gonna do this twice, because I got a lot of hair. It feels so good. I wish somebody else was doing it. When somebody else does my hair, oh my goodness, I could fall asleep. It feels so good. They have this like spa thing for your hair in New York. It's like a Japanese or something, a Japanese spa treatment, and they put like the water on your hair. Oh, I want that done so bad. All right, so I just went in with my second dose. All right, so the back, whew, took a while, but we got that friend. All right, now we gotta tackle the front. I can finally take this out now that the back is done. All right, so now we get to go ahead and tackle this scalp, y'all. Look at this. Now my problem area is very much so in the front of my hair. You can see how it's not really, it's like regular right here, but all over here there's white, and it's flaky, and it's just itchy. It's, you know, uncomfortable. So we're gonna fix that right now by doing the exact same thing. First thing I'm gonna do is just go ahead and wet my rag, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the medicated shampoo, not a lot, on here. And let's go ahead and get some suds. And we are going to go to town, baby. Starting on this end right here, and then just working our way across. I'm just taking this soapy shampoo, and we are going to start putting it on our scalp. And again, I'm not really doing anything like too hard. I don't want to ruin any of my hairs. I just want them to get clean. And after every line, I'm just kind of moving the rag so that I can keep the suds on my scalp. Yo, this is crazy. My hair is dirty. It has been over a week since I last washed my hair. So, and because I have this seborrheic dermatitis, it's really important for me to have to like tackle my hair more often than others, which is okay. And I have seen like way worse than mine. Like some people, oh my goodness, it looks unbearable. And it really, seborrheic dermatitis just comes down from what you're eating. Sometimes you can just get reactions. Sometimes if you're stressing out too much. There's a lot of reasons why you can get it. And this feels so good, guys. You don't even know. Cleaning your scalp is one of the best feelings in the world. Whew, my scalp was dirty, honey. Dirty. doing okay, but all the soap is like off the rag, so. And like I said, this is only going to stay in for one more week. Next weekend, literally a week from now, maybe a week and a day, I'll be taking these out. Okay, so I'm done cleaning my scalp on this side, and I want to show you guys the difference. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is how it looks dried up, dried, fried, and disgusted, itchy, uncomfortable. And this is after I applied my shampoo to my scalp. Like, even the color of my scalp is a little bit different. It's not 100% perfect, but you guys can, I hope, see the difference between the before and after of using the shampoo. I'm gonna go ahead and use the leave-in conditioner. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just take some of the leave-in conditioner. It's also a deep conditioner, but we're using it as a leave-in. And I'm just have this much right here. I'm gonna apply this to my hands, smooth it out. I love how this product feels, and I really want to attack my roots with this product. It is going to go ahead and get on my scalp, and it's okay. It's gonna happen, but this whole reason for me putting this on is because I just want my roots to be moisturized. Smells good. I can feel the nutrients, guys. I can feel the nutrients. Wow, look at that. Okay, and it just like slurped, it sucked itself right into my hair. There's no white cast. You can't even really put it on there, but it definitely feels a lot smoother. You can see like my edges are just easily being able to lay. Like this over here is just crusty, y'all. This over here is just crusty. You can see all the flakes, friend. You probably can't, but I can, and it's absolutely nasty. Now, if I go like this over here, there's not really any flakes coming out. That is a blessing, because there was a lot of flakes about 10 minutes ago. Yes, like I said, it's not 100% perfect, but this is what I'm doing to go ahead and refresh my hair. I could have gotten the shower and like drenched my hair completely, and that may have helped even more, but just by using like high quality products like Hotana, making sure that your scalp is clean, you should be good to go. So let's go ahead and apply our Hotana oil onto our scalp. This is how much I have in my hand. And this is how it looks again. If you guys have not seen the Batana oil from Hotana, very, very good stuff. This is like high quality stuff right here. So watch how this melts in my hand, y'all. So you can see it's kind of clumpy right now. And then all I have to do is just start to move it around. And I mean immediately. Like, that's so crazy. Immediately it melts. That's how you know. And then we're just gonna put it on our hair and scalp again. I'm just going to go ahead and put that all on my scalp, all on my hair. Wow, feels so good. And I'm just trying to press my flyaways into my hair. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the before and after. I just applied the leave-in conditioner. I also applied the oil, and this is how we looked. So not only did we apply moisture, but we locked that moisture in. Like I said, my hair is a little bit scruffy because it's old, but we're just doing a refresh versus this that we have not touched yet. Like, I don't know if you guys can like see, but it looks so bad. Like, friends, come on, Jesus. Come on. It's every part has like a whole bunch of dandruff, and it's not dandruff, it is seborrheic dermatitis. And so I wound up just going ahead and doing the entire side off camera. So I shampooed, I put in the leave-in, I also put in the oil, and now I am ready to add on this hair wax stick. This is also from Hotana as well. This improves your hair health. It has flawless hold. It controls your frizz and edges, and it's soft and lightweight finish. So kind of excited to try this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try to use this on my hair, and hopefully it will dry and tame the flyaways. As you guys can see, it definitely is going on there, and I'm hoping that it dries clear. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all on here. And okay. Oh, I like how it feels. It definitely feels like a little bit waxy. Interesting. So I'm just applying this all on my hair and pushing it back. Wow, I definitely see the flyaways starting to lay down. That's really good. Really good. I'm definitely seeing all the flyaways laying down, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep going. But we're gonna use this for the rest of my hair, because it definitely is working. So you guys can kind of see how it's all white right now. But once you start to press it into your hair, it definitely does work. It is a wax stick. And honey, it is sticking. Alright, I actually really like that wax stick. I definitely feel like it did a good job at getting all the flyaways down. That is pretty cool. It did a very good job. So what I'm going to do really quickly is lay my edges. Hey. Alright, let's go ahead and add the scarf on. And that's going to help lay everything down flat. I'm just going to go ahead and pop this bad boy on my head. Cool beans. I'm going to allow this to dry. I'm not going anywhere, so this can stay on my head as long as I want it to. But I'll be back in like 30 minutes. I want to go season my chicken and then allow this to dry. So that's what we're going to do. I don't know. All right. So however I'm looking right now is however I'm looking, honey. So far, so good. We are nice and flat. So we're just going to wait for our hair to dry. And then I'll be back to show you guys the final results of me using the Hotana products. Hey, y'all. All right. So I am back. I went ahead and seasoned my chicken. I done ate dinner, friend. And it's been a few hours. So let's go ahead and take this out and see what we're looking like. All right, so let's see how we're looking. No clue. Oh, why does this hairstyle look brand new, friend? Why the hairstyle look brand new? Wow, all of the dandruff, I believe, is gone. It no longer itches. It's not inflamed. It feels really good. It feels like my scalp is like back neutralized. I really think it was the Batana oil and also the leave-in conditioner that really did it. My hair feels so moisturizing. When you moisturize your hair, you have to lock in the moisture. So don't just get the oil. Make sure you get the leave-in too. Also, y'all, this wax stick did its thing. Why is there no frizz? If you're trying to like sleek it down, control the flyaways, if you have a protective style and just like me and you need to sleek some stuff down, this wax stick is going to do just that. Put the wax stick on, brush it in, and then put your scarf on and you're good to go. All right, y'all, so there you have it. That is how I like to refresh my protective style. If you guys enjoyed this video, I will have everything I used in the comments below. And if you guys want to see more on this style, I got this hairstyle done in Jamaica, guys, and I did a full vlog on it. So if you guys are interested, you can click right here to watch that video next. And I'm out of here, guys. My name is Aaliyah. This is As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.